So the first thing I'll be talking about is as I always do, I want to first give a review of last week signal that have been sent. Let me quickly do that. I think I already posted it yesterday. Okay, yeah. So these are the signal that have been sent since last week, 3rd of December. Sushi, Big, Theta USDT, Inch, Solana, Sushi again. I think Sushi was last week, Wednesday. I think it just delivered somebody today. Then CFX was sent, Big, IOTA. And one thing you discovered is that in the group, you see that this signal that I sent, for some people, it will deliver very early for them. And from some other people, it won't have been delivered. It depends on the price each and everyone entered. So the easiest way of knowing what really happens is that when somebody enters at a higher price for any signal that is sent, that person's trade won't deliver faster compared to somebody that started with a lower price. Let's say somebody started with a trade, maybe it started at like 0.09, and some person now started later. Maybe the person now started that trade when the coin went down to 0.07. So you that started at 0.9, you started at higher price, and for the same signal, somebody now started at a lower price of 0.07 because the person joined at a lesser price for the same coin. For example, for the same coin, this person, his own trade might get delivered faster than the person that joined at this price. Because if the coin gets down to 0.07 and somebody now joined at least lesser price, if the coin now goes up to maybe like 0.085, maybe by the 2% that was given, this person's coin will deliver faster, earlier than the person that joined at the higher price. So that's one of the reasons why you discover that some people's trade deliver faster than others. So I think AAVE also was sent, and GMT, Sushi was also sent, Dodge was sent. All these ones have been delivered. All this one I'm showing us as delivered. BTC, SXP has been delivered for some people that entered at a lower price. Ethereum has not been delivered. SLP has not been delivered for some people. So let me just show us people that joined XXP. But that XXP was sent on, is it Saturday? I will check now. I think it was sent either yesterday or I marked everything. I've marked it. And something happened yesterday because I did a team Zoom meeting for some set of team members yesterday. And I've already explained in the group what made the market is still very, very down. You can see the market is still down. That's not even picked up. So if you join SXP, let me see SXP. The market is still very, I predicted that market will go. Wow. Yes, I've already marked it. So I think people that joined XXP joined XXP at this price, around this price, at this price. So from that price, market has really gone down. It has gone down by coming. The market has gone down by, if you join as 1495, market has gone down. Wow. The market went as down as minus 16%. Anyway, if as this market went down as high, as low as this, the setting that was giving us, regardless of the capital that you are having, the setting will accommodate this dip. You can see the way the market dipped, like seriously, it's really dipped. So it has picked up back gradually around this place. I think around here. It pick up gradually, small here, coming around this place. Just pick up a little bit. So from this RSI, the coin is coming back up. So I think I did a training last week, Friday, and I was giving us talking about fundamental analysis, fundamental news, that if you have done your technical analysis, that when there's a fundamental news in the market, it will override, it will go against your analysis. This is what happened. Yes, I never knew that the market would go down as this. I was even predicting that by Monday, Tuesday, that's when the market will go down. So there was a news that came up on Friday that I shared in the group. Immediately this thing happened, I immediately begin to talk about it in the group. So this sudden dipping in the market, nobody is how will I say, nobody can control all this. You can't control it. It always happens in the crypto market, but it will surely pick up. That's why I always allow us to do money management, so that, let's say you have $3,000, don't put everything in one coin. If you have $10,000, don't put everything in one. That's why you have to spread your capital, your fund in different coins. So just be patient, because let me check, in 4 hours this coin should go up. It will be coming up. Me, I'm always happy when a market is down like this. So just be patient. The market will pick up. Let me check the 1-day chart. 1-day chart. In the 1-day chart, this coin is going to go down more. Is it going to go down more? I'm coming. To go down more to like to go down to like you can go down to more to like 0.3438, and it will now pick up again. So just be patient. That's one of the reasons why we have margin calls. So even when the market is down, the bot is still doing up and down. So another coin that I was saying was ETH, Ethereum, and Ethereum is a very, very good coin. Ethereum was also sent. Ethereum has also gone down. Ethereum went down in 1 day. In 1 day, market is still going to go down, because this is a general correction in the market because of Bitcoin. So it will pick up a little bit from here. It will do like I'm coming. It will do like it will pick up. A green candle might be formed, but it's another is still going down here. So a green candle might be formed a little bit here to come up in the next 14 minutes. In the next 14 minutes, if a green candle is formed, this coin will go up, because I remember I sent a signal when the price was 2357. So it will go up a little bit, maybe by to make some money up. Then in the one day, the coin is still going down. The coin can go as it can come down to 2000. This place, it can come down to this price here, because it must correct itself down here. It's still coming down again, because you can see it's pointing down before it now begin to pick up again. So you just have to be patient. That's crypto for you. Crypto is unpredictable. Anything can happen. So SLP was also sent. SLP, 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 SLP. Where's SLP? SLP has also gone down by -10. Okay. So I sent the signal when the price was around where I put that black line, 0.003354, and it has gone down. Has gone down. It went down as -16, but now it has reduced to -10 thereabout. So because at the RSI here is showing that it has been oversold. This coin is oversold because of the news. So it will pick up and come here. So if you can gain momentum up back, so any of the coin that have been analyzed, if you can gain momentum up from that level, from here up, you can get close to this. It might see do a pullback again from 1-day chart, then go up. So all of your signals, all the coin that have been sent so far, I might not send any signal for now. So all of us that might have, we have to coin that we enter since Saturday, Sunday. Just let us be patient with those coins. So I will let me know which of the signal that we have entered. So this week, maybe till now, till like Thursday, you have to be patient with these coins to pick up. So I might just be sending one signal, one or two signal this week. We won't enter too many signal here. So we have to wait for these coins to pick up. So this week, I've already projected it yesterday that the market will be down, but it will pick up. It will pick up maybe by Wednesday, Thursday to pick up. And the beauty of the bot is that no matter how down your coin, you still be seeing some small minor profits. Some minor profit, you'll be seeing it. So let us just be patient. And this is what happened. There was a news on Friday, Saturday that made, I think I shared it in the group. Where is it? Where is the news? I sent it to the group yesterday. I think there was an unemployment. There was a news in the market that caused a massive dip. I think I sent it. Was it yesterday I sent it? I'm coming. It was in the middle. It was early this morning. I said, hey, this is it. So there was a news. I'm trying to get that news. Yeah, that's what this is the news. You need to know that first Friday month, fundamental brought the price. This US job report was against the market. So these are the reports that caused the dip. US average hourly earnings, US non-farm employment change, US unemployment rates. So all those news was what brought down the market to go down. So just be patient. All your coins will eventually come back, because anytime the market is red like this, just be patient. We see that the market will soon become green and begin to smile again with massive profits. So now let me go to the next agenda. So before I go to the next agenda, is there any question as regarding all the review of the last 7-day signals? Is there any question? So is there any question regarding your trades? So if there's no question, let me just continue. So let me go to the next agenda. Trading view and robot features settings. Now, let me go to trading. The last training I gave to us on how to use the trading view. The last training I gave to us, let me check. I've taught us about how to identify candles, green candles, red candles, support and resistance. And I've taught us how to use one of the indicator called volume analysis, volume spread indicator. So let me quickly open a new trading view app. I don't want to use the one I'm using. I want to use a fresh trading view app, because I want some of us to be able to learn how to use this trading view app. So I'll be focusing on one indicator today and how we can combine those indicators. Now let's say, let me open Neo. Okay, yes. Okay, let me cancel these ones. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel this. Okay. Now this is a fresh. Trading view app. I don't have anything here. So I've already taught us how to identify candles. That when they're now this candle from one of the training that I did on crypto, I told us last week that when you see a candle that is long like this, this kind of candles are called what? If somebody can remember. And when I see candle that is big, a long red candle like this, or a long green candle like this, that is long, very long like this, whether it is red or green. I told us last week that this kind of candle is called dildo. It's called dildo. So this is an example of a dildo candle because of the Sunday news on Friday. I just don't know why people always react to news like that. And one of the things why people react to news like that is because of fear. It's because of I explained that term last week. It's because of what we call food. I mentioned it last week when I was telling us, because if you don't have orientation about all these things in crypto, you'll be getting scared. My money. No, your money is not disappearing way. It's a normal thing for stock and forex. And one of the advantage of crypto spot trading, that's why I don't want us to venture into futures. Because if we are doing futures and there's a fundamental news that is against your analysis, that's how people get liquidated. They get liquidated. Their money will just disappear. You just wake up one day, you slept, you're in a trade, and you wake up, you go to your balance, your monies are disappeared, just zero. You now get a notice in your email. Sorry, your trade, they just giving you funny English that your money is now disappeared. So that's why I don't want us to even venture into future trading. This spot that you are doing is safe. Even if the market crashes, it will revive back. It will pick up. And thank God that you are using a bot that does not ever sell at a loss. So when the market goes down, it's able to buy more cheaper. When the market is going up, it will be selling back for you. So it was because of what we call food. There's something they called FUD. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Those are the emotional outbursts that always cause market to go down power like that. It's fear, it's emotions that make coin to come down like this. Because people begin to sell all their coin in fear. Because if there's a news in the market, they begin to sell. So there are some people that are called bulls in crypto. They want the market to go down so that they can buy coins cheaper. So they are the one. The bulls will pick up the coins because they have already positioned themselves in the market that anytime there's a market going down, the paper hands, the people that are called paper hands are people that sell off their coin in fear. They will bring the market down so they bring it down to $11. So the golden hands or the bulls, they will pick up from this level, they will push the price up. You see, it must always happen. It will happen. So I've already taught us uptrend that when the market is going up, it's called an uptrend. Let's say started from here to here, it's an uptrend. And when it got here, the price was rested and there's a downtrend. So I've already taught us all those things. So the next thing I taught us was how to use volume analysis. But today, I want to teach us how to use, I'll focus on only one indicator. The next training next week Monday, I will now show us how to combine that indicator. That indicator is called stochastic RSI. It's called stochastic RSI. So let me go to, you go to indicator. That's my favorite indicator that I use. Stochastic indicator. Then you will now search for stochastic RSI. You can say I've already favorited it. Just click it. Then it will appear in your chart. It will appear in your chart. It's my favorite indicator. It shows me how to enter a market and when to leave. Let me compare. Let me pick my other indicator. Okay, my former trading view to show you how I do the setting. So the moment you pick the RSI indicator, you put it in your chart, commonly load. Okay, you can see in this my own chart, you see that I colored this line below here. I colored it red and green, the middle yellow, and the upper band. This is the lower band, this is the middle band, and this is the upper band. And you can see that you will see something like a graph going up and down like this. But if you check the new one I opened here, see that the band here is dotted. It is not colored. It's not colored. It's not colored. All these ones is not colored. Come. Let me bring it back. Consider this place is not colored. This band here is dotted, is dotted, is dotted. So you just click settings. You just click it, click settings. So you cannot change the band. So the inputs. So let me confirm from the setting here. So the input. So if you want to now set your RSI, you can see that the K is 4. So I'll change it to 4299. 4299. 4 the K I'll turn to 4, this one to 2, and this one to 9, this one to 9. Then here I'll disclose. So I'll now click here, save by as default. I'll say okay. So I will now go back again. So I need to do the setting. The style. So the style, the K is blue, Okay, I'll change the color to the color blue. Okay, the style blue. Okay, they say upper band is what? Upper band is no, the upper band is red. Is red. This one is middle band is yellow. One band is red, so I'll change it to red. Then the middle band is this color. So the lines there are, I want it to be thicker. I'll do it like that. I'll click save as default. Then I'll click this one too. I'll pick the line here to be thicker. I will save as default. Then this other line too, I'll make it thicker. I will save as default. And the middle band, I'll tick the middle, save as default. And I will check the lower band. What is there? 90. The upper band is 90. So let me change this one to 90. Save as default. Then what again? Background. Okay, the lower band is 10. Lower band is 10. It's 10. It's 10. Save as default. No, wait. Save as default. Then again, there's something I need to remove. Visibility. Visibility. Let me see visibility. 159 inputs. I think I unchecked one line here. I'm coming. Style. Okay, yes. Let me uncheck D. Style. I want to uncheck D. Oh my God. Still has disappeared. Thank God I've been saving this thing. So I'm coming. I want to check again. Thank God has been changing this thing. But that's how it will make your indicator to be more beautiful. Wow. I don't think that this thing changed. Didn't change. So let me change it again. So I will uncheck the one here. I will uncheck that. I don't need that. So this ones, I will make it thicker, save as default. Then this one, I'll change it to red, save as default. The line, will make it thicker, thicker, save as default. Then this upper band is 90. I'm making 90. Then I will save as default. Then this one make it 10. Save as default. Then this lower band, I think is okay. Let me first save this one first to see whether it has changed. You can see that it has changed now. It has changed. Just only holding the KD line. I don't know why this one is not changing. Don't want dots. Dashed line, dotted line. Okay. So the one in the middle band, and let me make it yellow. Yes. Save as default. Okay. So this one, the lower band, tick. Let me make it maybe green. Let me make it green. Save as default. Okay. So you can still use it like this. By and by, you can learn how to use it. So now I want to make this line to be not be dotted. I'm trying to find a way to do it. It's dotted. I don't like the way it's dotted. Dash line, dotted line. Don't want that. Okay. Don't want that dash line. Okay, this is it. Absolute. Upper band, middle band, the line. You have seen it. I pick line up, then I save. Yes, I love it like this now. I'm done. Anyway, I'm recording this thing so that I can learn how to use it. I'm recording it. So now this is how the stock RSI works. The stock RSI indicator shows you if it shows you the when you should enter a signal. It's one of my powerful indicator that I use. When I see it at a glance, I can know what to do. So now let me explain. This upper band here, this upper band here, the upper band here, the upper band here is for anytime you see that there is a graph that goes up like this, is moving like this. So all this, the way this graph is moving, let me draw it a little bit like this. You see that there is a line like a graph coming down, moving up, coming down. So this movement of this graph follow the pattern of how these candles are moving. It follows it. So let me just show us a portion. Now from here, you discover that from here, this graph move up to this point before it start coming. So if you now draw a vertical line up to this here, you see that it touch a red candle. So you discover that from this, when this graph was moving up like this, see it got to this peak here, to this peak here. You discover that it was moving up zigzag until it went up. So you discover that all the candles were moving up too. So when it got to a point like here too, when it reaches the highest green candle here, it was resisted, started coming down again. And see the graph was also coming down. So I always use this RSI to monitor the movement of the coin, of any signal, of any trade. Now the upper band starts from something. The upper band is served as the overbought region. You see that from the upper band, the band here has three lines. We have the green line, the yellow line, and the red line. I was the one that gave you those place color. Anytime you see the chart, this graph come to this below this line, it shows that when it goes down like this graph, when it goes down. So I always wait until this graph come down before I send any signal. Because the moment is below this line, that is below this 0%, between 25, this line, this 25 line, when it comes to this 25 line, it means that any coin that is around this, below this 0 to 25, as it's coming down, the coin is being oversold. That's why you see that this coin has been oversold. It has been oversold. So anytime I see that the graph has gone down like this, it's oversold, I can confidently enter a coin from this below line. If it's at this top, if the graph is at this place, it's putting down, I will never enter. I can tell you, that's why I always tell you I don't enter this coin, because it's coming down, because the chart is showing down. And if I now see a red candle coming down, I won't enter. So I will wait until this graph touches this place. Even if it's showing down like this graph is pointing down like this, I can enter a signal. But I always prefer when it comes below this green line. I know that that coin has been over. So that's why you see that here is below this line. That means this coin has been oversold. It has been oversold. So I can confidently enter here. So from here, you can enter a coin knowing that it has been over. So this line is the oversold region. And this place is an overbought region. Oversold region. Oversold region. Overbought region. The sound, let me mute it. That's oversold region. This line we are seeing is oversold region. And the one at the top here shows that this place is the overbought region. Overbought region is oversold. So anytime I see a coin and the graph is pointing down like this, I'm using the 4-hour chart. I will never enter that coin. If I see that it's showing down like this, it means that at that point that the candles might be here. If I see a red candle here and I see this graph is pointing down like this, I'll never enter that coin. That's why some signal I used to see in some groups, in several groups in RoyalQ, they send signal, and I will be wondering, how are they sending this kind of signal? Because when I see that the RSI is pointing down like this, I can never enter that coin. I won't enter. Because the moment the graph is showing down like this, it's showing that the market, this coin is still coming down. So I'd rather wait until that's why anytime anybody you ask me, I should send signal. I should send signal. I won't send signal until I see a point of entry. Because in crypto, you must look for the point of entry and a point of exit. A point of entry must look for a point of entry and a point of exit in crypto before you can enter any coin. So it's not every time that you enter coin. Sometimes I will wait. You must know when to enter a coin. I must know when to exit. That's why I will tell some people that go and sell off, because the indicator is showing me that the market is going down. It's going down. So that's one of the work of the stock RSI. It shows you the oversold region, which is here. When the market, the coin is down and the graph is showing, even if it's pointing down like this, it's showing down like this. The moment I see the graph below here, I can confidently tell that the market, that coin has been oversold. But the next thing that it will be going up. So when the moment it goes up like this, it will be forming green candle, green candle, green candle. Let's say you form a green candle to this place, and this graph now gets here. The next thing that it will be coming down again. So I will never give a signal from the top here. I won't. So that's the way to use the stock RSI. The moment you see this graph here, the moment you get to, I'm seeing it at 75, 80, 100 here, I will never give signal from here to here. When I see this graph, enter. Even if the moment I see a point to this place, even if it gets to a point up to this, like 30, 40, 30, I will never give signal until I see a sign that is down like this. So that's how to use the stock RSI. So you cannot understand everything today, but at least you will have understood a little bit of what I've explained. So if you were able to understand a little bit of what I just explained, just type 2 in the chat. Type 2 in the chat if you're able to understand what I just explained. Just type 2. It's not necessary you know everything today. I will still repeat it again next week, Monday. So if you understood how the stock RSI, how stochastic RSI works, just type 2 in the chat. Type 2 in the chat. I just need just one confirmation that you are able to understand how to set up the stock RSI, how to study how the graph works at the zero level, which is the lower band, the middle band, the upper band. If you're able to understand what I've taught you so far, just type 2. I just need one confirmation. Just type. I just want one person to type 2 in the chat. If anybody didn't type 2 in the chat, that means you didn't understand anything I have said. So I've done a recording so that you can watch it all over again. Please, I'm begging, somebody should type 2 in the chat if you understood what I said. So you know that this is how I do analysis to us. I just need one confirmation. So it's not compulsory that you understand everything today. Don't worry. I've done a recording of the video. You can go and watch what I've been saying so far. You can listen slowly. slowly to understand it. So I will repeat it again. That's why I won't be giving us too many indicators training, too much technical training. So I will stop at that on how to use the stock RSI indicator. Now let me now go to talk about the robot setting. You can see the market is still going down. I'm getting indication. Ethereum has gone below 2002. The market is really, really red. So just be patient. Now I want to teach us one features in RoyalQ. Features in RoyalQ. I think I've taught us before. You see this place here. This place here. If you want to be getting notification, I think I've taught it before. If you want to be getting notification about your trade, that bell, if you want to be getting notification of how your coin is trading, just click this place. Or the best thing is, if you are trading any coin you are trading, like if I go here, I'm trading this coin, I will just tap the coin. I will tap the coin. Let me tap the coin. Let's say I want to a coin. Then I want to be getting notification on that coin. Yes, I want to be getting notification on, let's say AAV. AAV. Okay. Let me even go to the trader. Let's say you are currently trading a coin. Just tap the coin. I want to be getting notification anytime the coin is down, is high. Just click this. The moment you enter the coin, the trade, just tap this chart. If it's already trading, tap that chart. Then click this bell up here. This bell up here. That bell, when you click it, when you click that bell, if you want to be getting notification of anything that is happening in this coin, I want to get that when this coin reaches, maybe consider the current price of the coin here now is 0.0002684. I want to get a notification when the coin gets to like 0, because the signal was sent on this coin was okay, that RS I didn't send it to us. I entered it privately. Let me pick IOTA. Let's say if this coin gets to the current price is 0.273, I'll pick that bell. If the coin enters, let's say 0.29, the current price here is 0.29, is 0.0204. That is the current price. So I want to get a notification when the coin gets to 0.285 or 0.29. So what will I do? I'll just tap the bell here. I'll tap it. So that I want to know when the coin is pumping. I'll click the coin and I'll not enter the price. I want to get notification that the coin started pumping 0.285. I will now click create. So I will go back. So I'll click it again. If I want to get anytime there is a sudden rise of the coin, I will click it. I want to get if there's a rapid rise or fall of the coin, RoyalQ will notify me. But if I want to get when there's a big market, like what happened yesterday night when the market went down, if I have on this notification, I will have gotten this notification that this coin has gone down. So that was how I was able to get the notification on Acro when Acro was pumping on, is it not Saturday, Sunday? So you will now be getting that notification on your phone like this, on your phone here, like how I'm getting MXC notification. You'll be getting it on your phone. It will be notifying you anytime there's a rapid rise, a rapid fall of the coin. So that's one of the features you can set on your RoyalQ. That's one of the features you can set on your RoyalQ. And I want to also talk about how to do first preset buying price. Because sometimes when I send signal, I don't want us to be entering signal at the current price. When I sent XSP and SLP, I was checking the stock RSI coming down. So that's why sometimes I always tell us to enter at a preset price. So this is where you set a preset price. Let me say I gave a signal, a new signal. After I've checked my analysis, let's say I gave a signal on inch, and I say you should enter at a price. I consider the current price now is minus 0.3648. So if you want to set a preset price, you enter the filter setting, you pick your setting like this. Then you have done, if you have done everything, you confirm. The moment you get here, you won't enter at the current price. So you just come here down. If I say that this coin, that don't pick it at this current price. Let's say I told you don't pick at this price. If I give you the signal, you should pick it at 0. Maybe 345. So you now come down here where they wrote first preset price here. First preset buy price. You click it. You now put the price I give. If I give a preset price 0.345, that's what the price I say you should enter. Then you confirm. Then you now click start. When you click start, the bot will not start immediately. If you go to your strategy, you see that it will be showing like this, ash color like this. It won't start. It won't start. So if the price I projected that you should enter, if you didn't pick it at that price, how do you now start? Some of them might not know how to start. If I say go and enter that coin at the current price, when I see that from my analysis the coin has dipped to the price, but it didn't get to the price I wanted to for the coin to pick, for the bot I meant to pick that trade, for the bot to pick that trade at that price. So if I say go and enter the coin, that trade at the current price, go and cancel it. So you just enter it. You now go to that first buying price here, enter it, then click it. Okay, here I should start. Let me pause, confirm. I have to pause, but it won't allow me. Then you now click the price again. You now enter 0. You now enter 0. So if you enter 0, then the trade will now start. If you enter 0, the trade will start, and you click confirm. That is how the trade will start. That's how the trade will start if you want to enter the current price. So that's how to use first buy in price. Another thing I want to teach us is anytime the market is down now, the market is down. It's now as our last week when the market was bullish, because throughout last week we really had a lot of signals that was selling up, delivering very fast. But if the market is bullish again, and sometimes if the market is bullish and you are following the signal I say, and it's not picking up the trade faster, let's say you pick up your trade setting according to your capital, and always anytime you want to pick your trade, ensure you change this place immediately to either 15 to 15. Just edit it to 15. I'm coming. Change this place to 15 always, because if you don't do it, the bot will start to be buying at $12. So any one of us that has maybe capital like maybe 5,000, 8,000, $10,000, you can increase your first buying amount. But if you increase your first buying amount, because you have enough capital, enough buffer, enough fund, you make more profits. But don't go too high. At least you can go as high as $20. You'll be able to make much more profit. But don't go beyond this, because the setting I give to us, the moment the bot, some of us, I give us setting where that here, the first mark drop here, I will tell us to change it to like maybe 25. 25, 25, 25, so that these first 4 calls, the bot will have bought more for you, because for people that have big capital, 25 plus 25 plus that's 100. If you now multiply that 100 times, let's say 15, that's about $1,500. The bot will have picked like $1,500 out of your capital. If I give you this setting, that's the meaning of the 2025. Let's say I make it 20, 20, 20. If I make this place 20, 20, 20, 20, it means that the moment the market goes down by 0.35, the value of the coin goes down by 0.35, the bot will buy 20 times 15. 20 times 15, that means you buy $300 worth of the coin. If it goes down again by another 0.35, making 0.7%, then the coin, the bot, will buy another 20 times the first buying amount, which is $300. Here again, it will buy $300 worth of the coin when it goes down again by another 0.35 plus 0.7. That's about 0. That's about 1.15%. It will buy another $300 worth. When the coin goes down again by another 0.35, it will buy another $300 worth of the coin. So that means the first 4 calls, as the bot comes down by a total of 0.35 times 4. That's 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 3, 12, plus 2. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 0. Am I good in mathematics? Let me calculate it from here. I'm coming, please. If the bot has come down, that's 1.4. It's 1.4. Don't mind me. If it has come down by 0.4, if the total here means that the coin will have gone down by minus 1.4%, you will have bought about if this is the price, the setting I give to us, you will have bought $1,200 from your capital. Then now the way the market has gone down now, the way the market has really gone down to from here, from the 5th call, 6th call, the coin has gone down by, let's say, by minus 15. That means it will have gone to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2.5, 2.5. That's 4 plus 5, 9, 9, 11.5, 11.5 plus 1.8. So the coin will have gone down as low as 15 call. So from here, the bot will not be picking too much money again, because I don't want the bot to pick too many of your money. So from here, you just be picking like 1.6 times $15. That's about let's say $27, and something dollar, and something dollar, and $15, $15, $15. So until you reach the 16 call. So it won't pick too much of your money again. So the moment the market is not going up, it will be selling it as it's going up. And the moment the market is even more bullish, this is how you know the percentage you'll be giving you. If you go to distributed and take profit allocation, by default, I put it at 1.3%. It's more better you leave it at this default. Because I discovered something recently about people that were in accru. That's how beautiful this bot is. Despite the fact that I gave this setting to the bot to be giving you 1.3%. As a coin goes down to the 5th margin call to any level down, we told the bot to be giving 1.3%. But somebody that has been in accru for a very long time, the bot is so intelligent to the point whereby instead of giving 1.3, when he saw that the coin was pumping like the way accru pumped to 70%, it was giving like instead of 1 point, it was giving like 3%, 3%, 4%, 5% instead of 1.3. That's one of the beauty of the bot. Let me show us an account where the bot was doing that. That's how the bot works amazingly. Let me go to, there's a an account I have here. Let me check that account. Okay. That account has been active for a very long time. I think since September. And this is the account. You see what the bot was doing. The person put like $660. The bot has helped the person to buy Acro. Acro was down for a long time. So we will see how the bot did though. If I go to the trade setting to distributed and take profits, you see that what was there is 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, but the bot didn't sell at 1.3. Let me confirm. You saw here, let me go to this section, this place. You saw what the bot did. But if I want to know the level it has bought, you see at the fifth call, this is the price it bought this coin when it was 0.01776. If you go to that place, you will see how the bot was buying from the fifth call. That's where you see it. From the fifth call, it bought at this price. So you can see it has bought when Accru was very, very high. So it was buying 8th call, 9th call, and the quantity it bought 0.0169 when the Accru was 0.0169, and it bought 1,230 quantity at $20. So you will see how it was buying until the 45th call. Okay, the 28th call, but it has sold when the coin pumped. So when the coin was pumping, this is where you see how the coin was giving massive profits. Here, this icon here, that's you see the transaction of how the bot was selling. You can see instead of the coin and the bot to be selling at 1.3%, 1.3%, the bot was selling. Are you seeing it? It was giving more profits. It was giving 5.4, 3.0, 3.0, 3.0, 2.8. It will be using its intelligence to be giving you more profits. That's how these persons are out of the 663 that this person put into this coin that this bot has bought so far. Since then, it's released. That's why I switch off the man. It has released. The bot has helped to sell off and give the person back $39 with profits. With profits, the person was able to get. I'm coming. Was able to get just more money, at least $4.7. I can see it was since October. That was the last time this person got any profit, since October, almost over 2 months. But the moment the coin woke up from his slumber, that has been sleeping since, this accuracy coming back. That's why in crypto trading with RoyalQ bots, you don't lose money. You don't lose money in RoyalQ. I think I've been able to give us some training on robot features and settings. So I've talked about that. Now let me give us a forecast where the market is going this week. Let me give us a forecast. Now, where is this market going this week? So we will know that by checking the direction of Bitcoin. So let us look at Bitcoin. I did a meeting yesterday with my team here in Africa and those other team members yesterday. I gave them a forecast. I was giving them a forecast that by today, the market, I give a forecast that by Monday, Tuesday, the market will go down. Early in them, I told them by 1 a.m. exactly from my own time zone here. Your own time zone might also work that way. So I said by 1 a.m. today, that was Monday, that because at every 1 a.m., the market resets. The market resets. The entire market resets. So I told them that 1 a.m., the market from Monday, Tuesday, the market will go down. I don't know why this is not. And the market will reset. That Bitcoin will go down. That this week will be bullish. It will be bearish. The market will be bearish this week. It will be bearish this week. So let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin, because the way Bitcoin has been moving, it must undergo correction. It has been going too high. Bitcoin has been going too high. It has broken. If you can see, anyway, okay. It has formed a green candle here now. At the 4 hour here, it has formed a small green candle. Coming. I just saw it now. So, you see, it has formed a green candle. See, all the line that I said the Bitcoin will reach, it's really there. So I picked up some, I said it might come, it will break this price. It broke this price, it broke this price, it broke this price, and it touched this price. I said it will touch. It touched 41,441. It touched this. Then I was saying that it might come almost close to 39,000. So it touched 40,000 a little bit. 40,000. Almost close to 40,000. It went to as 40,000. So from the RSI, that's why when you are using indicators, you're analyzing, your mind will be at peace that you know that the market is picking up. From the RSI that I just taught us today, you can see that it means that all the market has been oversold. The sellers have tried. The time for the bulls to come in has started. I'm seeing the sign here. You can see it. In the next 4 hours, Bitcoin can move to like 42,000. We should be expecting it to come here between now the next 4 hours. We should expect Bitcoin to move to around this price, to 42.5, to try and reach that place. But it's still coming down again. Because if we go and check the 1-day chart, you can see it has broken this auto fib level too high. It has overpumped. So it must correct itself. See, it has broken this my auto fib here. But this is an indicator I use. It has broken it up to 44. It went to the highest it has gone to so far is 44,527. 44,527 here. That's not 44,527. So it must even come down to this place to as low as 38,000. Supposed to touch there. But from what I'm seeing from the stock RSI here, it's coming down more. Bitcoin is still coming down. So Bitcoin might touch 39,000. So this 41,008. It will just come up briefly from the 4-hour chart. But in the next 7 hours, it might still see another great candle here. It might touch 39.97. That's my projection now. It will touch this support here, 39.97. Or around, it can touch 39.315 here. So the moment it touch that place, so maybe by tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, it will touch that. It might touch that price. Then from Wednesday, it will pick up again. The moment it come down here, it will pick up again. So you should be expecting the market to pick up maybe from Wednesday. It's just a projection. I'm not a prophet. I'm just using the charts here. And only time I use all these indicators and this analysis, it always play out. So just relax, let the bot buy more for you, buy more coins for you, cheaper, then expect more profit this week by God's grace. So that's the analysis for this week. Then the last thing I'll be talking about is the end of year RoyalQ team promotion. I think I told somebody that was asking me from our Indian team that the person was asking me that Is there any referral in RoyalQ? I say yes, there's referral in RoyalQ. Anytime you share the opportunity with anyone, RoyalQ pays you what we call referral bonus, activation gain for everybody that you refer. At this level you are as a junior broker, RoyalQ pays you. RoyalQ pays you. Let me open that one anyway. RoyalQ pays you. RoyalQ pays you. So if you go to the reward details, you will discover that you'll be earning something daily anytime your teams are paying gas fee. So the first thing that you make is what we call activation gain for anybody you refer. You know, there are a lot of people that are outside there, they need a legitimate opportunity where their funds will be secured. So that's why don't keep RoyalQ to yourself. Don't tell people about RoyalQ. Tell people about RoyalQ. Just want to show us activation gain. The moment you sign up somebody, immediately you get $30 at V1. But at the position you are now, if you don't have up to 20 people in your team, you get $30. This is an example. You get $30 immediately as you are seeing it. So the only time that we do withdraw in RoyalQ is when you refer anybody, you make $30, which is withdrawable immediately. That's something like upgrade or maintenance. And after you have signed up that person, you will discover that as they are trading, as they are being paid gas, as they are paying their gas fee, out of the gas fee, the person paid, let's say $1 as gas fee. RoyalQ developer will only get 20% from this $1. Then remaining 80 cents is shared among the network of the upline. That's why when you share the opportunity with people, you earn more. So anybody time they are selling, they are making profit from the gas fee. RoyalQ is so generous that he wants the networkers to earn more as their team member are earning profit in their Binance. You'll be earning some small profit called direct quantification. And if the moment this account now has only registered those activated just 2 members. That's why if you go to team, you won't see anything. But somebody that has more team members, like this account, that has more team members, will be making activation gain, will be making direct quantification. You will see it here. It will also be making team quantification because this account has more than 20 people in his team. You'll be making more money because he has more than 20 people in your team. So the more people you have in your team and you advance, the activation gain increases and your team quantification, direct contribution also increase. That's why you see some people, when they have a very large team, they can earn as $50, $100 in a day. So let us share this opportunity with so many people because this is an opportunity that's going to be there for a very long time. As long as there is as crypto trading, just like there has been forex trading for a very long number of years. So crypto trading will always be there. So it's a business that your children can even inherit. So those are other ways you can make money in RoyalQ. So let me stop here today. And give room for questions. I appreciate every one of us for forgiving me for starting late. So you can ask our questions.
Sir, I have one basic question in trading view. Like how you select 1 day for 1 day time chart
I'm getting a
time
feedback
for
from your phone, no, leader madam. Maybe you are
yeah, yes
opening
sir.
two phone there. I'm getting pam 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 pam. So I'm not hearing clearly.
Now is it okay?
It's okay now.
So in trade view, how we can pick it up 4 hour time frame, 4 hour chart, 1 day chart, 30-minute chart? Can you just show us? That is very basic, I know, but we are.
Want me to go back to that training? You don't want to go and sleep? Mm. Okay, I will teach. I'm coming. Yeah, is that your first question?
Yeah, that is my first question.
Okay, another question.
Yeah, another question is like in RoyalQ settings, like distributed take profit allocation, like 1.3 by default is 1.3, 1.3, right? If
Yeah, yeah.
let's say last weekend, so Acro was pumping drastically, right? So you shown like it has given 4%, 5%, 3.5%, something like that. Did you change those take profit allocation percentage from
No, I
1.3
didn't.
to?
I didn't change it. That's what I was trying to explain. That the distributed allocation of profit from the fifth level down to even as high as 100 margin calls, leave it at 1.3. They don't change it. Please, don't change it.
No, no, we never changed. Just out
Don't
of
I
checking.
didn't edit it. I didn't edit it. That was what I was trying to explain. You know that acro. That's why I went to go and show the setting. It was at the way Royalty gave it to us at a default of 1.3. So I don't change. If see all the system I gave to us, whether you want to do $2,000, any capital that you have, I always tell us to use that default 1.3%. It's better to use that default because that's the developer of RoyalQ knows that coin can easily move by 1.3 up. So the way they design it so that the bot will, if you go and put like maybe 3%, 2% at that price, the bot will not even give you more because we have already set it high. Are you getting me?
Okay.
So
Yeah, yeah,
leave it
got it,
at
got
that
it.
1.3. If the coin pump like the way Acro did like over 70%, they move from all the way to like 0.0095. Sorry about that. It moved very high because you set the default profit percentage from fifth to any level down. The bot will even give you more than 1.3%. So leave it at that price, at that percentage. I mean, leave it. So that was why when I showed you that that account, I was trading Acro for a very long time, and the bot now even gave more than, because as the coin is pumping, when the bot now see that this coin from this particular price he bought it, the coin pump from one margin call to the second margin call, it pump beyond 1.3%. If you saw that it pumps to like 3%, it won't give you 1.3, it will give you 3%. From the second margin call, when the bot now saw that this coin is pumping again more than 1.3, if you saw that it will give you 4%, it will give you 4%. If you now get to another margin call higher that the bot now sees to sell higher again, if the bot now saw that the percentage profit that you can get from that price to the next higher price, next price, instead of it giving that 1.2 that he told you to give you, is very intelligent. It will give you maybe like 6% if you saw that it's more. That's the beauty of RoyalQ bot. So you don't need to change, don't tamper that setting, leave it like that. So anytime there's a pumping of the coin, the bot will give you much more profit. It will give more profit. Just leave it like that. It's okay like that. So for me to teach you on how to pick signal at the other time frame. Now, I have a formula. You have to follow my formula if you want to be getting result like the way I'm getting results. This is the way I use my trading view. This is the way I use my trading view. I will show you my formula that I use to pick signals. Okay, I told us that there's a green candle forming. You see, a green candle is already forming. So Bitcoin will pick up. Bitcoin might move up to like Bitcoin might move to, okay, this is not Bitcoin. It's SLP. I know that some people are in SLP now. So don't worry. You will get some profit now. Anytime the bot has gone to fifth, sixth, seventh level down to any magic code that is down, it will be giving some minor profits. Those minor profits given to you is the profit there is at that point in time the bot is just buying $15 worth of the coin. $15. So it's be giving some small profits. So if you have more big capital from the fifth magic coin down, I have to give special setting for that, but it's better you use that setting I'm giving so that you have enough money for other coins. If one coin is not working very well, another coin is working very well. But let me go back to how I pick my signals. Now, this is the way I pick my signal. And I want to give a signal, I will first go and check the 1 day chart first. I don't use 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't use it to, I don't use that time frame, chart on that time frame to give. That's where I use that lower time frame. I just use that lower time frame to see if the coin will go down at that time frame. What is my formula? Most times I will always first check that in the 1 day, 24 hours from now, is the coin going down? That's why I always prefer uh, if I come to this 1 day, are you not seeing that this 1 day chart? This 1 day chart here is showing that this coin is going down. Are you seeing it? It's pointing down on the stock RSI. So I'll first check. If I see a confirmation that this, instead of this thing pointing down like this, if I see that the graph is complete like this and like this, or even if it's coming down, if it comes down close to this place, I'll be confident that even if the market goes against this coin, that it won't take time for the coin to deliver. So the first thing I'll first check is that in the 1 day chart, I'll first go and check in the 1 day chart. What is the movement? You can see that the last candle here is red. And this red candle is as a result of the fundamental news. So I'll first check. So after I've checked, I will now move. So I'll just keep it like that. Okay. In the 1 day chart, after 7 hours, this coin is going down. I'll first do that. Then I will now go back to 4 hours. I might take profits. If I want to determine how much profit can you make so far, how much profit can you make so far? Okay. How much profit can you make so far? I always use 4 hours. That's where I take our profits. Because the higher time frame that you pick, the more profits you make. If you decide that this graph on the 1 day chart is down like this, I'm coming, please. If the time frame here is down like this, on the RSI is down, if it's down like this, and I see a green candle here, I know that if I give somebody any signal like this, if this thing like this, that means that's been oversold. Then I know that this trade might take days before it deliver. But if it's taking days to deliver, the more profit margin that it will give will be higher than 4 hours. So the profit margin might be, I will not click this plus sign, I click drawings, I click price range. I will now draw this to this dotted line you are seeing here. That's the current price. You'll be seeing one dotted line like this. I will now place my price range line. I will now draw it up. I seeing it that this coin can do 10%. Let's imagine that this place here, let's just imagine that this place here is down, like this, and this is where I pick my coin. If I want to go for 1 day chart, I can take like 10% from this coin. That means it might take me maybe 4 days, 1 week before it does it, or I can say I want to take 5%. So the longer, the higher time frame that you use, the more profits you make. But most times I take my profit from 4 hours. So like this one now is a very good indicator for me, because I can see that from here, that the graph is already below this oversold region. So I'm confident that this coin is going to come up. I'm so confident of that. Even from the something I just draw now, I can see that this price take profit that I did is even following, is already on this green dot line. So there's possibility of even taking 10% from this place. Let me just draw it fresh. Let me remove it. So if I want to take my take profit from 4 hours, because I take my profit from 4 hours, I will now pick price range again. I will now put it on this dotted green. That's the current price. I will now look at the candle before the next candle is here, I will first say, okay, we can take 3.88% here, because the candle before the green candle, I can say that I can take 3.8% here, and I can do more than that. So I can go higher. Okay, you can still do 5.2. You can see that the after this red candle before that small green candle, okay, from here, okay, can still do 5%. So I can guarantee this coin can do 5% from here. So anybody that is in this SLP coin, I think I gave SLP. The coin will move from this price to this price we are seeing here. This price here, it will move to this price to 0.0315, and it will give you. So this anybody that is in this coin now, you now discover that the bot will now be selling any coin that sold when it was coming down like this, from here down. As the coin is moving up, it just be giving small profit now, because it's not yet close to the entry price. So as it's going up, it's giving small profit. The major profit is from here, because when the coin bot was going down, it has bought $1,500 worth of the coin. It's until the bot reaches the entry price and goes above. That's why it will now give you maybe 3% of maybe $1,500 or 4%. But before it reaches that price, that entry price, it would have given some profit. So I take my profit from 4 hour first. That's how I take my take profit. So the lower time frame, I'll go and check. I use the lower time frame for just confirmation. If I go to the lower time frame, I use 1 hour. This one is showing me that this coin is going up again. You can see that at this time frame here, the graph is already at the oversold region. So that means the coin is picking up. So this is another confirmation that the coin is coming up. So, but the lower time frame again, I will now check again. Okay, 30 minutes is still pointing up again. You can see that the graph is still pointing up again. So I've seen 3 confirmation now at the 4 hour, at the 1 hour, that the coin is coming up. Then I can still go down again to 15 minutes. So at the 15 minutes, I discover that the graph at the stock RSI is showing that this coin at the 15-minute chart is bought. It's coming down, because the price must come down in the lower time frame. That's the way. That's my own strategy that's been working for me. I use one day to know where is the coin going in case the market goes against the trade. Is the coin going to go further down? So sometimes I'll just take the risk to now go to the 4 hour. If I now see at the 4 hour that the graph at the stock is down, I will take my profit there. I will not go to the lower time for the 1 hour to confirm, okay, is the coin going up or down using the RSI. So with this SLP, I saw that in 1 hour it's going up, in 30 minutes it's going up. But in the next 15 minutes, that means, this chart of this 15 minutes means every 15 minutes, new chart is formed, new candle, is formed. New candle is formed. So that means the next 15 minutes now, so we see that, okay, you see that it remains 60 seconds now. We will see what will happen. Just let us wait. 53 seconds, remain 56 seconds. 49. You will see that another candle will form now. You will see. Just watch. Just watch here. This place. Another candle will form. 39. It will either show us a red or green. But because here the graph is showing down, okay, you can see it's a green candle that formed here. But a time is coming, maybe by the time it reaches here, a red candle will form, because the graph here on the right side is at the overbought. It will soon show red, then to come down. It's when I come down to this level. So that's how I use my lower time frames. So from this level now, I can even deduce, I can calculate that how many percentage down will the coin do. I'll just pick my price range again. I'll put it at the current price here, that it can go down by yes. You can see the coin can go down by minus coming by minus 1 point. It was, I didn't say that the red candle has formed now. I just said it. You see, a red candle has formed. It must form because at the RSI it's already overbought. So these coins, I didn't see now. You see now, I'm talking is already working because another time has started for another 14 minutes. So this can do this 15-minute chart. Red candle will form again, will form again, will form again, down until it reaches this 0% auto fib level. It must come down because those are the two indicators I use: stock RSI and I use auto fib. All this color indicator is my favorite indicator. It works for me every time. Those are my two favorite indicator that works for me. So this candle, you see now, is going down. It will go down to like minus 152%. That's why you see that in the RoyalQ bot, I always give you that when the coin goes down by 0.35, it will buy. Now it will have bought now, and 0.35 it will buy. So by the moment the coin goes down by a total of minus 152%, minus 1.52, it will have bought more coins cheaper for you. So I've explained how I use the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 1 hour. So that's how I use it. I think we have learned something today.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
day?
Sir, from all of us, one request, sir. So
Okay.
now we are running. Now we are running with bearish season, right? So our request is when your day start, right? Just analyze Bitcoin. Just share the projection in the group so that our mentally we would be set our mindset so that today BTC is going down. When the day when your day is end or when day is start, you just send your projection so that we'll set our mind so that we'll
Is it
not
for this week?
panic.
Is it projection for don't panic? Don't are you panicking?
No,
Don't
no,
panic.
no. Let's make this habit so that we'll be. Otherwise, we are always watching
Don't panic.
RoyalQ
Don't panic. Let
trade.
me tell you. Let me tell you. I told you. No, I told you that. That's why I will never recommend us to do features. I will not do it. I will not
No,
recommend us
not
to do
futures,
features.
not
I know what
futures.
I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. That's why I'm not recommending us to do futures trading. I won't do it because that's where you can lose money. But as long as you are doing sports trading on the spot market, you are not going to lose money. It's not possible. You don't lose money on spot market. So that's why I've already given us a projection from, I've already done the recording. You can go and watch. I said that Bitcoin will pick up a little bit between now uh in the next maybe 4 hours. Bitcoin will pick up. But from my own time zone here, yeah, from my own time zone here by 1 a.m. That's about let's say 7 hours from now. Bitcoin is still going to go down. I've already given us the projection that Bitcoin might still go down by Tuesday, Wednesday. But towards the weekend, market will pick up. So don't panic. The boss is going to be doing buy and selling for you. So don't panic. Just have at the back of your mind between today, tomorrow, probably Wednesday. I'm just giving a prediction. The market might go down. The bot will buy more. That's why when I give settings, I give setting so that no matter whether it's a bullish market or bearish market, you are covered. That's why I don't want to give too much. It's saying that will not consume your capital too much. I don't want. Even if you bring $10,000, I will make sure that each setting we are recommending maybe like 2,000, 2005, so that you can have three like three coins. It might not consume all your capital when the market goes down. So just be don't panic. I don't me as you are seeing, I don't panic in crypto. I don't. The moment I see what is happening in the market, analyze, I'm always at peace. I will go and drink and we eat. Nothing will happen. So just be relaxed, my friend. Don't be just relax, nothing will happen. So just know that between now, tomorrow, probably Wednesday, the market will come down a little bit. The bot will now be doing DCA for you, buying more coins for you. Then the moment the coins pick up, it will begin to say, I don't see what happened to people that are in our crew. I just showed an example now. Acro went as low as minus 60%, but the people's money didn't disappear. That person might just be like almost 2 months, the person will not be making any money, but the person's money is safe because your money, the bot has able to buy those coins cheaper as it was going down, and you'll be seeing your money in your Binance. Maybe if you bought like $1,000 worth of the coin, the value of your money will have reduced to maybe like $400. It's called depreciation. The value of the coin has depreciated, not that it has disappeared. You have accumulated a lot of coins of those coins. The moment the market now pick up, you now see what happened in just 2 days. After like 2 months of waiting, just 2 days, Acro just pumped 70% up. So out of the the coin has gone down by 54%. That person money has reduced from $1,000 to like maybe $500. Then the moment Acro move up, the percentage decrease will now move up maybe up. The person money will now be released like $200 back. I'm just saying as an example. Then you will have recovered your money back. The bot will sell it back for you. The bot does not ever sell at a loss. So just let us be at peace. Nothing will happen. Just don't be emotional, please. So I think I've answered our question. I've given us a position this week, so there's no cause for any alarm. So any other question?
Thank you
Yes, sir.
very much.
One more question, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, is there any in RoyalQ app? Is there any option to fix the position amount? Like if I want to buy only $15,000, so it's any option to fix the amount, like not except the stop the margin call.
No, when you are doing the setup, the $15 is already in the first buying amount already, so it's already fixed. It's fixed.
No, in call margins.
Let me understand your question very well. I'm listening.
Yeah, if it starts with the $15 and it's when I is down the market, the call margin calls are taking the 15%. Yeah, like we said. So I want to stop. Then whenever $1,500 is buy, I want to stop the buying.
Okay, I want to stop you from buying more. You don't want you to buy more. Is that what you're asking?
Yes, sir. Except if we stop the margin calls, then it stopped. But I want to stop the buying automatically. Not to.
This is what you will do. If you don't want the bot to buy more, this is what you will do. Maybe you have not learned that. Do you know how to switch off margin call? Do you know how to do that? Do you know how to switch off margin call on your bot?
Okay.
So do you know how to do it?
No, example, sir. We started SLP. We buy the SLP. We don't stop the margin calls. We don't. So yesterday, then when the market is down, it's buying automatically buying, and it's buy with like $2,500.
Okay.
So we don't want to that. We stop the $1,500 automatically when we fix the amount.
Okay, this is what we do. What you want is that you don't want the bot to buy more. Is that not what you want?
Yes.
This is what you would do. The bot, the only way that the bot will stop automatically buying more is if the market is going down. Let me show you. I'm coming, please. If the market is going down, it's always happened to me. Let me show you an example so I can understand my explanation. It's better I show you on my coming. See, that's SLP. The promise we give you, you just see. Just wait, you will see. Let me show you. Okay. I will show you something. Let's just imagine that you don't have any extra USDT in your Binance. Let's say the total money you have in your Binance is 2,005. I'm just saying as an example. The moment the bot has bought up to 2,005, the moment the bot has used all your USDT to buy that coin to reach 2,005, automatically the bot will switch off margin call. It will enter I'm just explaining how the bot can stop automatically. It will stop by itself because it won't get money. See what happened here. We saw that Binance SLP trade access for has stop margin call due to insufficient balance in the exchange. So anytime this one happens, you saw this notification on your RoyalQ bot. It means the bot wanted to buy more because when the market was going down, when the coin was going down, it was trying to pick more. The moment it let me give an example of RS. That was the last coin I did. It did for okay, RSR, yes. I think where is this? Let me see. The system is the last one I'm trading now is because this WRS, I saw that the coin might go down yesterday. As I entered it, I didn't send it to the group. I used my RSI to do my analysis. When I woke up, the moment I saw 2.5%, I just sold off before I slept. That's why I always tell us, the moment you see an opportunity, you see any green like 2.5, 2.8, don't wait. Go and set off automatically manually if you want to take profit like that. If you don't want to reach 3%, I just sold off. So that's why I quickly left that WRS before the market went down. Now, back to what I'm saying. The moment if the bot wanted to buy more and USDT has finished, you will see this notification here. You will see it. Binance RSR. I seen it. That's the automatic way the bot will stop. It will stop by itself. It will not be telling you to put more money in your Binance. So let us go and see that RSR. We'll see. If I open the RSR, you see that by itself, the bot will close. It will stop. It will switch it off. Are you seeing it? To switch it off automatically if it doesn't see more money to buy. Now, if you now discover that the market is going down, the coin is going down, you don't want the bot to take more of your money, just click the coin like this. Let's say this is on. Let's say it is on. Let's imagine that it's on like this. Let's say it is on. So you just, when it is on like this, you don't want to take more of your money, just switch it off. So that's the only thing you can do. So that's why I always tell people in the group, if you don't want the bot to pick more of your USDT, go and switch it off. So that's the only way. The bot does not switch off automatically when there is still money in your Binance. It will not stop. Do not switch it off automatically. It will only switch off automatically the moment it's trying to pick more money when the coin is going down. Because the setting that we have given that, the setting that you entered was that when the market is going down to as high as 100 level down, that means if the coin goes as low as minus 30%, minus 40%, the bot will still be buying. If you have money, it will still be buying. Are you getting me? So if you don't want the bot to buy again, just go and switch off. So just go down there now and go and switch it off. I hope I have answered your question, sir.
So there is a only option to switch off manually.
It's only manually you can switch it off. You can't switch off automatically. It's only when the bot wanted to buy more and it didn't see money in your Binance, it will now off by itself only when it didn't see more money. That's the only time it will switch off automatically. But because the setting we have given the bot is to be buying more if the coin is going down, it can't switch off automatically. If you don't want it to buy more, if you on the AI margin call, this one, but I don't use in my own set, I don't use it. This AI margin call, if you on it, are you getting me? The bot will be very conservative. It will not obey the margin call that we set for it, that as going down by, it won't obey it. If let's say you open this and you open these two, if you open these two, it will not obey this false system margin call. It won't obey it too. This, because you have on the AI margin call, it won't buy more coins for you. It will be very slow. It will be trying to save you. It's trying to be conservative. It don't want to take more of your money. It will now be using its own AI algorithm to pick coins conservatively. It won't pick more coins though. So me, I don't use it because me, I want the bot to buy more for me. Because if it doesn't buy more, how will I make profit? I'm always happy when the bot is buying more coins for me, so I will make more profit. that your SLP, when they begin to come back up, you see what it will give you. But if you don't want it to pick your money, you can only manually switch the margin call off. It doesn't switch off automatically. I've explained to you. I hope you can understand now. I hope you are clear, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So that's the way it works. So
Thank
any
you, sir.
other
Thank you.
question? You're welcome, sir. Any other question? We have almost spent almost 1 hour 45 minutes. Let me stop this recording so that it won't be too long. So if there's no other question,